How you doing, guys? Welcome back. I have another video for you guys, and this is a freebie mail unboxing. So if you want to see what I received, stay watching. Okay guys, before I show you what it is, which you already know by the title below, I logged into my Pinchme.com website like maybe a month and a half ago, and I applied for some samples and I finally just received it. So this is the box right here, which I noticed one thing is that it's in this beautiful like peachy pink color instead of the normal white and blue that I used to receive before. So I'm excited to check out what it has. So before I show you, I'm just gonna open the box. And the first thing I pull out is a card from Lumify Redness Reliever Eye Drops. It said, "You won't believe your eyes." And then in the back it said, "Try it and see for yourself. Reduces redness for whiter and brighter looking eyes. Work in 1 minute, lasts up to 8 hours. Unique formulation that works differently." And yeah, it says #1 eye doctor recommended. So I'm excited to try this because, and this is the card. I'm excited to try this because I tend to get dry eyes when I have my allergies. So let's just dig in here and see if I got the product itself. So this is what I received. And again, it's from Lash and Lum Lumify. So I'm just gonna open and see what it is. Okay, so now I'm just gonna put this down here. Give me a moment. It has a little container, you know, with nothing special, just instructions for you to follow and whatnot. But this is what I received right here. So we're just gonna open it because I thought for a minute that it was gonna be a actual full-size little container of the eye drop, but it's actually a little vial. That tiny. So I'm excited to try it, and then I will come back and let you know how it works. So we're gonna put this to the side, and I'm gonna open the next thing. And this is just a coupon for 75 cents. I don't know if you guys can see. Always the glare right there. And this is for the Nest Care Maximum Hold Waterproof Band-Aid. I'm not thrilled about this box, to be honest, but it gave me a little sample of the Band-Aid. And then they gave me a Heinz mayo ketchup sauce little package. Ooh, almost dropped it. Little package sample for me to try. But I'm gonna be honest, Heinz, I'm sorry to tell you, and if you like about it, but we Puerto Ricans came up with the mayo and ketchup, okay? It's not new to us. So this, I hope it tastes just like the way we make it. But if you Puerto Rican like me, you know what I'm talking about. But yes, look, that I'm not thrilled about the box. That's all I received. So I'm gonna come in here and show you the freebies I got in the mail. So if you want to get freebies, you can go to Pinchme.com, register, follow the instruction, and they come out every Tuesday, I believe, once a month. I don't remember because it's been a long time. But check the website, and the information is there. Subscribe, and when they send you that email that is Freebie Tuesday, head over at 12 so you can get your hands on some freebies. So being that said, I see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.